Hello students, my name is Shazia Khan. Today's subject is History, Standard 8, Chapter number 2, Europe and India. During the modern period, the various happening in Europe had its impact on India. Therefore, while studying the period of modern Indian history, we have to study the events happening in Europe during this period. So in this chapter we will study कि यूरोप में डेवलपमेंट की वजह से मॉडर्निटी की वजह से क्या क्या चेंजेस आई और उसका इम्पैक्ट कैसे इंडिया पे पड़ा. So let's start with the period of Renaissance. What is the meaning of Renaissance? First we have to know the meaning of Renaissance. Renaissance, a French word meaning rebirth, indicates the period that came after medievalism and saw the humanistic revival of classic art. Renaissance is a French word which means rebirth. When the medievalism period was there, people believe and practice inspired by Middle Ages of Europe or by devotion to elements of that period which have been expressed in areas such as architecture, literature, music, art, philosophy, scholarship, and various vehicles of popular culture. Because of Renaissance came in the Europe, there were many changes in the art, science, knowledge, religious, culture, etc. So let's start with the period of Renaissance. In history of Europe, the last phases of medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, is known as the period of Renaissance. During this period, Reformation, religious reform movements, and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as the Age of Renaissance. During this period, in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, etc., there was a revival of Greek and Roman tradition which gave momentum to an overall development. During the Renaissance, humanitarianism was given great impetus. There was a change in the outlook of treating each other as a human being. Instead of religion, man become center point of all ideologies. When the period of Renaissance came in the Europe, there were many changes in the field of art, architecture, philosophy, religious, etc. was there. और काफ़ी सारी चेंजेस आई ह्यूमन बीइंग में भी. दे ट्रीट्स लाइक ए ह्यूमन, मतलब रिलीजियस पे बिलीव ना करके पीपल्स बिलीविंग टू ईच अदर, दे ट्रीट एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग. द रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट स्प्रेड थ्रू आउट all sectors of human life. This movement first came in Italy. After Italy, it was spread in the all over the Europe. Through knowledge, science, as well as different section of art, we can observe the discoveries of reform movements. When this period was came, there were many changes were developed in the section of science, knowledge, art, discoveries, etc. The art and literature of Renaissance period depict sentiments and emotions of human beings Literature was produced in local language for better understanding to the common people. लिटरेचर वेयर प्रोड्यूस इन लोकल लैंग्वेज मीन्स लिटरेचर जो है वो लोकल लैंग्वेज में प्रोड्यूस करने लगे ताकि वहाँ के जो लोकल पीपल हैं उन्हें वो लैंग्वेज समझ में आए और वो पढ़ सके और समझ सके सिचुएशन को. नेक्स्ट इज़ ए रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म मूवमेंट. द इंडिपेंडेंट इंटेलेक्चुअल अटैक्ड the old religious ideologies of Roman Catholic Church. The Christian priests were taking advantage of ignorance of the people and were indulged in unnecessary rituals. They looted the people in the name of religion. The movement that began against it is known as religious reform movement. Why this movement came? This movement is came because इन जो रोमन कैथोलिक चर्च था वहाँ पर लोगों के साथ भेदभाव होने लगा. जैसे कि वहाँ के जो प्रिस्ट थे, जो फादर थे, वो मनमानी करने लगे थे और वहाँ पर जो है वो पॉलिटिकली सब बिलीव करने लगे थे. वहाँ के जो प्रिस्ट थे उन्हीं का ही डिसीजन सबको फॉलो करना पड़ता था. वो जो कह देते थे वही करना पड़ता था लोगों को. तो जो रोमन कैथोलिक चर्च था वहाँ पर जो है वो सब पॉलिटिक्स चलने लगा था. वहाँ के जो लोग थे वो लोगों में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट करते थे, लोगों में भेदभाव करते थे. जो वहाँ के प्रीस्ट बोलते थे वही लोगों को मानना पड़ता था. दे आर मिस यूजिंग देयर पावर्स ऑफ रिलीजियस. So that's why this reform came in the Europe. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance. After this movement came, there were many changes developed in the Europe. They can freely follow the religious and necessary rituals. Okay. Understood what is the period of Renaissance and religious reform movements. These are the two important points which I explained in this video. In the next video I will continue this chapter. Till then, thank you.